Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to start new topic, exercise 6c. We have done exercise 6b, question number 1 to intermediate level, question number 3 and 4. Now you come on next exercise. Exercise 6c. Exercise 6c start from question number 4. Got it? Exercise 6c start from question number 4. Question number 4 is given that square root ax square minus b equal to c, find the value of x. There are three variables a, b, c, 4 and x are also variables. There are four variables a, b, c, x. Here the value of a, b, c are given. The values a, b, c are given. We find the value of x. Got it? Here there are four variables. The value of three variables are given. We find the value of last variable. Got it? Just like exercise 6c, question number 4. Given that what is given? Square root ax square minus b equal to c. Okay. A equal to 2, b equal to 7 and c equal to 5. These four values are given. We find the value of x. Got it? We find the value of x. Solution: square root, there is a, the value of a is 2, that's why we will put 2. A replaced with 2 because a equal to 2. X square as it is, because we find the value of x, minus b equal to 7, we replace b equal to 7 because there is given b equal to 7, equal to c equal to 5. Okay, there is square root, we taking square on both sides. To cancel out square roots, we take square c equal to 5. Always remember square cancel with square root. Got it? Square cancel with square root. 2x square minus 7. After cancellation, when square cancel with square root, 2x square minus 7 equal to, when we open square of 5, it means 5 multiplied by 5, then we get 25. 2x square equal to 25. This 7 is plus. When we convert into the other side, it will be minus. This 7 is with minus sign. When we convert into the other side, it will be plus 7. Got it? Now 2x square equal to plus 25 plus 7, we get 32. X square equal to, this 2 multiplied by with x square, when we convert into other side, it will be divide. 2 1 da 2, 2 1 da 2, 1 carry 2, 6 da 12. So x square equal to 16. Okay students, now there x is the power of 2. We cancel this power. We can't need this power in answer. Got it? We cancel this power. Okay, when 4 16 also written as 4 multiplied by 4, this is also written as 4 square. Got it? 4 multiplied by 4 we get 16, and 4 multiplied by 4 also written as 4 square. Now again taking square root. In above we take square root is given, we take square. Got it? Now here to cancel square, we taking square root on both sides because we cancels this square, that's why we taking square root. This square cancel with square root, this square cancel with square root, so x equal to 4. This is your answer. Got it? After this, now you come on next question. Next question, question number 5 is H work. Got it? It's just like a question number 4. After question number 4 and 5, now you come on question number 10. Question number 10 is given that v equal to pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, we just only solve part 2, not part 1. Got it? Part 2 is find the value of h. Here we find the value of h. While v equal to 245, the value of b is given, and the value of r equal to 7 is given, and the value of pi is also given. You know that the value of pi is 3.14 और 22/7. इट्स योर चॉइस कि आप इसको फ्रैक्शन में लिखते हैं या डेसिमल में लिखते हैं. गॉट इट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Given that this is given, v equal to pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. We find the value of h. Got it? While v equal to 245 is given and r equal to 7 is given, and you know that pi equal to 3.14. Okay, pi equal to 22/7 or 22/7 equal to 3.14. It's your choice. You also written in decimal and you also written in fraction, and also written 22/7. Okay, now we put these value in the given data. The value of v is 245 equal to, I write in the form of decimal, pi equal to 3.14. Got it? R equal to 7, so there is r square, it means 7 square. We find the value of h as it is, plus 2 by 3 pi equal to 3.14 and r equal to 7. This is cube, that's why this is 7 cube. Okay, 245 as it is, 3.14. First we open square and cube roots. When we open square root, 7 multiplied by 7, then we get 49 h plus 2 divided by 3. This is in the form of fraction. We convert into that decimal form. 2 divided 3, then we get 0.667 and 3.14 as it is. Now we open 7 cube, it means 7 multiplied by 3 times. Then we get 343. Got it? Now 245 as it is, we multiply by these value, 3.14 with 49, 3.14 with 49, then we get 153.86 h as it is, plus now we multiply by these values, 0.667, 3.14 and 343. 0.667 multiply by 3.14 multiply by 343. After this we get 718.37. This value is in the form of addition sign. When we convert into other side, it will be minus. It's mean 245 minus 718.37, and this one 153.86 into h as it is. Got it? Now there is plus sign and there is minus sign, plus minus minus. Now we subtract this. 245 minus 718.37, then we get minus 473.37 equal to 153.86 into h. This 13.586 is multiplied by with h. When we convert into other side, it will be divided with 473.37. 153.86. When we divide this, then we get answer 135.8 minus 3.07. This is the value of h. Got it? Here the data is given. statement is given, the data r, v value of 245, 7 r equal to 7 or pi equal to 3.14. You also take the value of pi in the form of fraction 22/7. We find the value of h. We put all these value in the given statement and find out the answer of h, and at the end the value of h equal to 3.07. Got it? Okay class, after question number 10, now you come on question number 11. Question number 11 are same just like question number 10 and previous question 4 and 5. Given that a equal to square root 3b plus c b minus c. Similarly, we can't done a part, now we start from b part. Find the value of b when a equal to 2 and b c equal to 5. Question number 11. Given that a equal to 3b plus c divide b minus c. Find the value of b. Here a equal to 2 and c equal to 5. Got it? We find the value of b. First you write solution. We put these value of a and c in this given data. A equal to 2, equality sign, 3 as it is. We find the value of b as it is, plus the value of c is given 5. We put these value in the given statement. B is not given, b as it is, minus c is 5. Got it? Again this question in the form of square root, taking square on both sides. To cancel square roots, we take square, just like 2 square equal to 3b plus 5 divide b minus 5 whole square. 2 square means 4, 2 multiplied by 2, and this square cancel with square root. 3b plus 5 divide b minus 5. This b minus 5 is divided by this fraction is in denominator. When we convert into the other side, it will be multiplied with 4, just like 4 b minus 5 equal to this one 3b plus 5 as it is. 4 multiplied by b, then we get 4b minus 4 5 the 20 equal to 3b plus 5. Now we combine like term, just like 4b and this 3b convert into the other side. 3b into is in plus sign. When we convert into other side it will be minus, equal to plus 5 as it is, and this 20 convert into the other side, this is minus. When we convert into the other side, it will be plus 20. Now there is plus sign with 4b and there is minus sign, plus minus minus, 4 minus 3b, then we get 1b. 4 is the biggest value, have plus sign, that's why it will be plus, equal to plus 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 20 plus 5, then we get 25. It's mean b equal to 25. Got it? The value of a and c are given. The value of a and c, a equal to 2 and c equal to 5. Now we find the value of b. After solving, the value of b equal to 25. If we check answer, the answer is correct or wrong, then we put the value of b, this value of b in the given statement. Got it? Just like if the statement was a equal to 3b plus c divide b minus c. If we check the answer, this is check point. Okay, a equal to 2, the value of b equal to 25 and the value of c equal to 5. We put these value in the given data. A equal to 2, 3, b equal to 25 plus c equal to 5, divide b equal to 25 minus c equal to 5. 2, 25 multiplied by 3, then we get 75 plus 5, divide 25 minus 5, then we get 20. 2 as it is. 75 plus 5, then we get 80, divide 20. Got it? 0 0 cancel, 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. So 2 equal to 4. Got it? When this is square root, Now when we cancel this square root, we taking squares. 2 square equal to, this is square, 2 square equal to 4, and this square cancel with square root, to equal to 4. Here left and right sides are equal. It's mean this is answer. This answer b equal to 25 is correct, because the left hand side and right hand side are equal. If these sides are equal in checkpoint, it's mean your answer is correct. You also check your answer by this method. Got it? Just remember both those sides are equal, left hand side and right hand side. Got it? Then your answer will be correct. Thank you.